You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Caillou. Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou. That's me.
New kids on the block.
Come on, Caillou. Mommy's waiting for us to fix lunch.
Caillou didn't know it yet, but the empty lot was about to turn into something new.
Look, Daddy. I want to bring it home to Mommy.
That's a great idea, Caillou. She would love that.
Here, Mommy, it's for you.
Caillou found it on the vacant lot at the end of the street.
Thank you, Caillou. It's lovely. Mr. Hinkle mentioned that the lot was sold, and they're going to start building today.
Really? Do you know what that means, Caillou? Tractors! Maybe we can go and see them in action.
Yay! When can we go see the tractors?
We'll go and see if they're there after lunch, okay?
The tractors will be there to build a new house, Caillou. We're going to have new neighbors.
That's a big tractor.
Caillou loved watching the tractor digging up the lot. He couldn't wait to go and see the construction site again.
Beep, beep. Look out, I'm backing up. Vroom.
Caillou, we're going to the park. Let's go.
Can we walk by the tractors, Mommy?
Oh, I don't see why not. We've been there almost every day this week.
As the days went by, there was so much neat stuff to see. Tractors, cement trucks, and construction workers hammering away that Caillou forgot all about the new neighbors. Until one day, when they saw a family moving in.
Mommy, the new people are moving in. I saw someone in the window. Will the new boy want to play at the park with me, Mommy?
What new boy, Caillou?
The boy in the window at the new house.
I didn't realize they had a boy. Maybe we should go and meet our new neighbors. Hi. We thought we'd stop by and welcome you to the neighborhood. I made you a little something.
That's very kind of you. I think the boys are out back. I'm sure they'd love to meet you.
Caillou was excited about making a new friend, but when he saw the boy, he suddenly felt a little shy.
Hi, I saw you walk by with your mom. I'm Jason. What's your name?
Caillou.
Can you throw like this, Caillou? Hey, Jason, you're not allowed to do that. I'm telling. Mom! That's my twin brother, Jeffrey. He's a tattletale.
Look, Mommy, I have 2 new friends. Jeffrey, let's go swing.
I'm Jason. Jeffrey's over there.
Sorry.
It's okay. We're used to it. Come on!
Caillou goes to school.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Caillou, could you come here for a minute?
In a minute, Daddy.
Caillou was waiting for something and he didn't want to leave the window right away.
Now, please.
What is it, Daddy?
I need you to put away your toys so I can vacuum your room.
The faster Caillou finished cleaning up, the faster he could get back to the window. Caillou was waiting for the school bus to arrive. He couldn't wait until he was old enough to go to school.
Hi, Sarah.
Caillou! I have one more thing
already taken a school bus once, but he couldn't wait to take it every day.
I wish I could go to school.
Lucky for him, at the end of the day, he was going to get his chance.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, Caillou. My class is having a little brother and sister day at school. And since I don't have either one of those...
Would you like to go to school with Sarah?
Yes!
That sounds like a great idea.
The next day, Caillou and Mommy were packing for Caillou's first day at school.
I think we have everything. Pencils, paper, lunch.
We forgot this. I have to bring my dinosaur to school.
I don't think you'll need your dinosaur today, sweetie. There'll be so many things to do at school, he'll just get lonely in your bag.
Okay. The school is big.
Caillou thought the school was very big and was afraid that he might get lost.
Come on, Caillou. That's the bell. We have to go to assembly.
Okay, Caillou, I'll pick you up after lunch. Have a good day at school.
Caillou was beginning to feel a little afraid of going into the school.
Do you want to hold my hand? You'll see, Caillou. School is a lot of fun.
Caillou was happy that he was going to school with Sarah. He felt like a very big boy.
Wow!
Caillou had never seen a classroom before. He thought it looked like a fun place.
Put your backpack here. Can we play ball in a classroom? We're not allowed to play with balls inside the school. Where is everybody? They're in the gym for assembly. Come on, we have to go. What's assembly? It's when the principal talks to us. You'll see. What's the gym? Come on, Sarah, let's play. Caillou, we can play now. The principal's about to speak. We have to sit down and listen.
Caillou didn't realize there were so many rules at school. He didn't want to sit down. He wanted to continue playing.
We can play later on, okay? Where do we sit? On the floor, like this. Now we have to be real quiet and listen, okay?
Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today is a very special day, and we have a lot of first-timers among us.
Sarah!
For those of you that are here with your big brothers
But
or
Sarah,
sisters,
I
well,
really have to go to the bathroom.
This is an extremely fun-filled, action-packed day.
After the bathroom was done and assembly was over, Caillou and Sarah went back to her classroom.
You're lucky today's a special day. Usually we only get to write on the blackboards when the teacher asks us to. What was that? The bell for recess. I like your school, Sarah. So do I. But I wish we had more time to play outside.
Caillou didn't understand why Sarah wanted more time to play. He loved being in the classroom.
When do we read and write? I don't think you'll learn all that today, but we'll do a lot of fun things. Come on, recess is over. Already?
Caillou thought the bell rang a lot at school. Caillou loved to paint, and he was happy to find out that they painted at school, too.
I'm going to draw a picture of your school. Don't forget that one day this will be your school, too. What did you bring for lunch, Caillou? A sandwich, carrots, an apple, and some chocolate pudding. What do you have, Sarah? Fried chicken, cheese, celery, and a cookie. Want to switch? I like switching lunches. I don't get to do that at home. Maybe I'll have dessert first.
Caillou loved being at school with Sarah. He wasn't able to switch lunches with anyone at home.
So, how was school, Caillou?
I drew on the blackboard and even switched my lunch with Sarah.
Really? That sounds like fun.
But I didn't learn how to write.
That's because you're still too young. Don't go growing up too fast, okay?
Caillou couldn't wait to grow up and go to school every day. Even though Caillou wasn't quite ready for school yet, he was ready for one thing: nap time. Caillou's kitchen. Caillou's mommy was preparing a special meal for guests that were coming for supper that night.
Oh, dear. This doesn't look very smooth.
Vroom! What are you doing?
I'm cooking supper for our guests tonight.
I want to cook too. But I want to help.
Caillou, just wait a minute, okay? Stand back. This is hot.
I can do it. Let me.
Well, let's see what you can help me with. How about you wash the lettuce while I finish this?
Yay!
Caillou was happy to help Mommy cook. He wanted to show her that he was a big boy.
Look, Mommy. I'm washing the lettuce. Oops.
Here, why don't you rip it up and then you could dry it, okay? Here you go. This will make it easier. Just turn this and the spinner will dry the lettuce.
How's the souffle coming along?
Oh, it's getting there.
I'm cooking.
I can see that. Caillou, why don't you go play outside with Rosie now and let Mommy finish cooking? There you go, Rosie. Stay out here and play for a while, okay?
Hi, Caillou. What you doing? I was helping Mommy cook, but now I have to play outside. I love to cook. Let's make up some recipes. Okay, let's make mud pizza. Mud pizza? Well, I guess we just need to find the right ingredients. Let's see. This pizza needs some cheese and pepperonis. We can use rocks for pepperonis. There, all finished. Me too. No, Rosie, dinner's not ready yet. Right, we need to make the salad. We can use leaves. Now we have to wash the lettuce. There, all done. This soup is going to be good. Gilbert, stand back. This is hot. Gilbert! Gilbert! Whoa! Sarah, look. This could be dessert. Look, Mommy. We made a cake for dessert.
It looks delicious. Thank you.
And we brought flowers, too.
They're lovely. I have just the place for them.
They're here.
Coming!
Caillou's Sea Adventure.
Gilbert, wake up! Look at my kite! Whee! I'm going to the park to fly my kite today.
Caillou, what are you doing?
Mommy, get dressed. You said we were going to fly my kite today. Remember?
I don't think we can, Caillou. They're calling for rain all day.
All day? Aww.
Caillou was very disappointed. He was looking forward to trying out his new kite at the park.
Oh.
What's wrong?
I have nothing to do now.
You could play with Rosie.
I don't want to play with Rosie.
Hey, I have an idea. Maybe you could have a friend over.
Leo! Hello? Can I speak to Leo, please? Oh, thank you. Bye. He's not there.
Caillou was discouraged. He had no one to play with and nothing to do.
Cheer up. With a little imagination, I'm sure you can find something to do.
I can't see Rosie. Where is she?
Caillou! Peekaboo! Hey, this is my drawing.
Caillou? She was just looking at it.
Pirate!
The pirate drawing and Mommy playing with the sheets gave Caillou an idea of what he could do.
Okay, Rosie. You can have it.
Did you find something to do yet?
Uh-huh.
That's strange. I could have sworn there was a... Caillou!
Caillou was building his very own pirate ship. He thought it would be fun to pretend to be the captain of his very own ship.
Hey! Gilbert, you wrecked my ship! Me too! Rosie, no! It's mine! Rosie, let go!
What's going on in here? I'll settle this right now.
Huh? But I was playing with it.
You can only play in the living room if you two play nicely, okay?
Rosie, this is my game. Moo! Moo! Hey! Look, Rosie, I'm a fish swimming in the sea.
Caillou was having fun now playing with Rosie. He liked the fact that he could always make her laugh.
Wait, Rosie, I know where I can get a fish. Look, there's a fish in the water. Yeesh. Oh no! Gilbert's a shark. He wants to eat the fish. Gilbert! We're safe now, but we have to build a boat. Catfish! I better swim to shore and get some stuff for our boat. Boat! Boat!
Hey, Caillou, what are you up to?
I'm in the sea. Me and Rosie are going to build a boat because Gilbert is a shark.
Well, I haven't seen any sharks around here.
Maybe he's hiding.
Here, maybe you could use this to find him.
Caillou was having a lot of fun playing pirates. Now he was all set to build his pirate ship with Rosie.
Rosie, you're in the water. Let's build our boat. There. Now we can be on the lookout for sharks. Look, Rosie, an island. maybe there's pirates. Pirates? Maybe the pirates took Gilbert. I see a pirate. Daddy! Hurry! Hide from the pirate! He's gonna catch us!
Arg, I'm a fearless pirate. Look at this, an abandoned boat. I think I'm going to climb aboard. Oh no, I surrender. You caught me.
Okay, Mr. Pirate. Where's Gilbert?
I don't know.
Hey, everyone! Time for lunch!
Can we have a picnic on my boat?
I think your boat is a little too small, Caillou.
Caillou knew what to do. If his boat was too small, he just had to make a bigger one.
Mommy, can we use the picnic blanket? Gilbert, I found you.
All right. I guess a rainy day is a good reason to have a picnic indoors.
Here you go, Gilbert. Tuna fish.
And so, on a rainy day that began with nothing to do, Caillou and his family had a wonderful picnic by the sea.